take it.
Okay. I admire your confidence. We'll see. Oh, yeah, you're the YouTube star, Sid.
Watch it.
Okay. Ready? Launching.
Release to the left, if you can. It's funny how every time people stare at the sky, they open their mouth.
It's because your muscles down here pull it open. You can always tell the sailplane pilots by the sunburned tonsils.
Oh, is that so? I never heard of such a thing, Sid.
Motorcyclists with bugs on their teeth.
Yeah, there's that too. So I'm gonna watch this landing here.
You're getting that rotor in the wrong place and you almost can't control
You're working it, Bruce. I saw you working. So I just do a 180 and come on in. Or you can just keep going straight if you want. But you've got to commit. That's fine. Going right for Sid. Come a little left. Perfect. Wow, Henry, that was one of the better landings of the day.
Yeah, that was all of the sticks and all of the corners, and it almost worked.
All the sticks and all the corners all the time.
It's a nice little airplane, but when they're slow, the rudder response is not exactly overwhelming.
Yeah.